Oh, OMG, I have to check it 2 times and I didn't record 2 times. So let's talk about curiosity. Then now I have to check it again third time. Now this third time is okay now. So let's talk about curiosity. So I will give you a real story about murder. 2 kids about being curious. Not my place, but somewhere else, different kind of race. They are curious of what's the feeling of what they saw, what they see in television, what they are watching. So they said they are curious. At least they have a confession tongue. Because I don't know if maybe they have that guilt inside, or but the reaction has no remorse, as they say in the someone given me this story in having a conversation. So these kids, I don't know if how many people they did did they kill. That's it. Or butchered. Just an example about the curiosity. So they tried it because of that one, the curiosity of the feeling itself. They say it feels so good. It feels so, the feeling of when you got a positive energy, and make you strong and make you alive and make you, that's how the wickedness get their energy. But today it already shifted, though, so it will not happen. They can experience through their what they are doing in the moment, but it will suck it up seconds that what they are doing after what have they done, I mean. So they experience of evil energy when that evil energy is happy when someone is doing bad. Excuse me. Confirmation. The evil energy says itself, it confess through. So the 2 witnesses of life, the good and bad, the good or evil. So it starts from that curiosity. You can do or you cannot. It depends of your personality also, or characteristics. If you have a curiosity thing in your life, like if you're curious of lust, example lust, and you want to do it also, but there is something very strong that's not good, it's a sin, it should be happened after marriage. But if the energy which is no, everyone is doing it, actually nothing will happen to me, I just want to experience it also, if that part is strong, then you can do it. And different kinds of sins also. So that will come the boosting of evil energy also from that curiosity. It depends also if that curiosity you will use it as a learning part from mistake, or good curiosity, and you will boost it more. It depends of who will boost, the good or evil, the 2 witnesses. So if your curiosity is beyond the 7 different kinds of sins, or any kind of sins from the infidelity, etc. But you didn't do something, even though the evil energy boasts it. The evil energy will summon bad entities from the spirit world. Then will attach to you and pursue you to, no, don't worry, nothing will happen. It will be in your good benefits. The entity will say, that's the modernized possession. Because if we are watching about possession, that that evil spirit possessed someone, then they will tie that person somewhere else so that that person will not go away and run away and cause chaos to someone. No, this possession is different. We know what we are thinking, but if your thinking is bad through envy, jealousy, those negative insecurities, those negative thinking, the evil energy will boast, but it cannot boast furthermore. It will make you, that evil energy will summon someone from the spirit world, the bad entities, then attach to you and pursue you, and then you can do it. The things that you are thinking, those bads, to do the smear campaigns, to do the bully, to do the bad mouthing, bad thinking, bad actions, like those 2 kids that can, those butchered their fellow. And if that evil energy cannot pursue you even in bad spirit entities, and your stronghold to the good energy is very strong, you're strong. You are strong spiritually and physically in this world. It means you know the truth also. It means you have a fear with our Father God. It means you conquer that paranoia. It means, well, there is a part also that the doubt is strong there. Because if this happened to this, I will go to jail. If this happened to me, I will shame myself. If this will happen, actually every time, the hardest part to fight is the brain, right? Even though we didn't say it, we didn't do it in action. The brain. Those people that can only bring out their what's in their head are those who can do the smear campaigns and say the words, very vocalized, that we are saying. But there are some that can shut their mouth, but very strong in here, very strong of manifestation also of evil or good, the brain. So it's up to the person to fight for it or not, to educate more yourself, to learn and grow or not. So for us that we adult, we have to guide our young ones. If they make a reason of stop you, no, fight for it. Be courageous and confident, and be authority, that you, even though it will hurt them, but they will awaken from it, the messages. Always tell the truth, even though it hurts. Because that young